A little update on our newest Airbnb project. So today we just received a notice that we received the last, it's a cabinet for the bathroom. That's the last missing part. So that can be installed tomorrow. So we will finish the first stage of renovating the place to make it ready for Airbnb. So I'll go inside and pick up the package, and then I'll show what has happened in the property since the last update. The new stuff that we picked up, and this is my wife, Sharon. I'm Pelle, by the way. And this is our new Airbnb. It is actually a property that's for sale. So this is part of the staging process too, to make it look more appealing and nice. And this is the room that we're going to stage primarily after we finish the current project, which is the shower. So that's coming to an end now. So we made new tile floor inside this room, and then we put new toilets, and we put up this new shower thing here. And then the stuff I picked up today is a new mirror and a new piece of furniture here. The only thing, when you have a piece of furniture and you want to install it, then you need to be aware of the piping behind it, right? So if you have drawers, then because of this setup, you can't really use them. So you just need to be aware of those things. I will consider if I want to change this one today, because I did change the toilet out at this bathroom, but I'm not sure, right? So I think the next phase here is to clean up, fix the last things, and then we need to look at cleaning up this room here and put the furniture over. And then we wait for our stuff, so we're going to buy stuff from Timo that's going to be used for making it look very nice. So that's the next stage in the process. What do you think? Write it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye, and subscribe.